Another fun game we're going to play during the sock set knit along is a this or that challenge. So I did post the picture on the Ravelry discussion board so that you can download it to your phone. And then once you've got it downloaded, you're going to come into your Instagram and tap on your stories. So if you've been scrolling, you'll have to scroll all the way to the top, tap on your profile picture, and then tap up in the top left profile picture one more time, right there. Okay, it's going to bring up your camera, but to get to your saved pictures, you're going to go down here to the bottom left, tap right there, and then here's your this or that you saved, and you can pull it up. And then you're going to get out your little squiggly draw tool, and you can pick whatever you would like for a squiggly draw tool. Oh, I keep picking not squiggly draw tool. Let's try that again. There we go. Okay, so I like a little Sharpie, and I'm gonna go with blue. Okay, I'm gonna go through my list. I'm gonna say, ooh, between DK and fingering, I have been in a DK mood lately, so I'll just circle it. High contrast or fade, I have actually been in a bit of a fade mood lately. Sock set or scraps, oh, I'm a sucker for a sock set. So you'll just go through and make your own selections, what represents you. And when you're all done, then you can hit done. It'll save all the little edits and circles and drawings that you've done. You can add some fun GIFs if you want, or whatever you want. Tag your favorite yarn dyer, tag your favorite local yarn store. When you're all done, you just come down here to the bottom and add to your stories.